Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. I'm still suspended. They won't let me upload any videos, so I'm just making it when I go unsuspended, or when they let me back on again. I don't know when that will be. I hope that they will, so that you guys can see my latest purchases. Because of the New York gun laws that have come into effect September 1st or 4th, there was a part of that that stated that ammunition will now require a background check. That's just a hassle for me because I like to order my ammo online. Now I'll have to order it online and have them deliver it to my local FFL. They can charge you no more than $10 for an ammunition transfer. So it's just a pain in the butt, but you can still buy it. And I think that's on hold for the time being until probably next year, because New York State does not have a database in place to do all this, so they can't do it. They put the law into effect, but they did it without even knowing whether or not they can pull it off. And as usual, they can't. So right now, I think you could still buy ammo, no problem. But you do need a license for a semi-automatic rifle, which I'm not going to get because I'll just wait until I move someday and I'll be able to get whatever I want. Right now, I'm happy with what I have. So I got, because of the anticipation of the ammo background check thing, we found great deals recently online. Prepper Gun Shop, we got 2,000 rounds of PMC 9mm Luger brass. It was only $289. That's cheap, you know what I mean? $10 shipping, so $2.99. 30 cents a round, that's a good deal. So anyway, I'm splitting the case with my buddy, and he bought a whole case himself because he's building an SLR 9mm on his own. He bought the receiver right before the September 4th cutoff, so he's totally stoked. I wanted to show you guys in this video something that I've always wanted, but I was always too cheap to buy it because they're very expensive. You know what I mean? I'll show it to you right now. You guys are seeing this video way after, but I bought this on a Labor Day sale. And it was from my other channel, Mowers and Blowers. I got a gift card from one of my subscribers, and I used the gift card to buy it. I've always wanted it, and I know some of you guys really want it too. Yes, it makes your rifle look kind of gaudy, but I'm like that. I like flashy gold stuff. You know what I mean? So I've got gold accents on my rifle, my AR, and this came in the mail today from Alpha Sports. Alpha Sports. It was on sale for $139.99. I had a Labor Day coupon, which was 21 off. So with tax and shipping, it was $132. So $133, you know. I'll pay $133 for it, no big deal, you know. Henry, what is it? Calm down, I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna show you, I'm gonna show you. I've already opened it up and played with it, but, you know, I wanted to pack it up again so I can actually give you guys an unboxing. Yes, you guys can see what it is, right? Do I need it? No. Do I want it? Yeah. And it's good to have a spare. A gold BCG for my 5.56 chambered AR. I don't believe they oiled it because it's like raw steel. That's what it feels like, you know what I mean? Can you guys see that okay? And because of why I'm suspended, I can't show you how to put it in or install it. So I'm just showing you what I got. Some of you guys, well, most of you guys that are watching this, you know how to put your bolt into your rifle. It's not a big deal. But I will do some oiling right now along the rails and in the area here where the plunger is. I forget what it's called. It's not the plunger. I always forget what it's called. But sharp, huh? This is titanium nitride, or TiN. So it's not anodized. I don't know how they do it, but the gold is supposed to stay on here forever. It won't fade or anything. I mean, you're going to have a little bit of wear from use and stuff, but I'll use my regular BCG as a backup in case you're at the range or something and your pin breaks or your bolt's bad or your gas key comes loose, something like that. You know, it's always good to have a spare, because when shit hits the fan and you're out there and you're shooting zombies, right? Something goes wrong with your BCG, what are you going to do? Well, it's an apocalypse. You're not going to be able to go on an internet and order your new part and have it shipped to your house. There's no mail. So it's always good to have spare parts, because without this, you ain't going to fire shit. So here's some Lucas oil, gun oil with the needle applicator. I'm going to just shove some in there, a few drops, move it around, pull it out, do a couple of drops on this end while it's out. Move it around a little bit. Ooh, I can feel it already. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do some, just a drop or two right there. Then along the rails here, a couple of drops. Right here. On top there where the gas key is, because it slides along with the charging handle. And just use my hands and just move it around, you know what I mean? I know you know what I mean. And that'll be it. And then I'll install this. I'm not going to show you how, so YouTube, calm down. Don't suspend me again. Holy cow. It's tough to have a gun channel, guys. They don't like guns. YouTube, that is. I don't know how Demolition Ranch makes any money, to be honest with you. He has a lot of sponsors. He's a big deal, you know what I mean? I'm not a big deal. I'm just a guy in the People's Republic of New York that likes guns, which is rare, you know what I mean? Anyway, so this is good to go to install, and I hope you guys enjoyed this brief episode. Just wanted to show you my shit. A gold BCG from Alpha Sports. We'll see you guys all next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.
That's gold, Jerry. Gold!
Okay, cooler.
Oh!
Jesus Christ.